Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate HR management with BambooHR easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your BambooHR account. Ensure you have the proper administrative privileges. Navigate to the Settings tab on the main dashboard. Locate the HR Management section within the Settings menu. Explore the automation options available for various HR tasks. Select the specific area you wish to automate, such as hiring, onboarding, or performance management. For hiring, click on the Applicant Tracking feature. Set up automated responses for candidates during various stages of the hiring process. Customize these messages to reflect your company's voice and culture. Next, move to the Onboarding section. Create a checklist of tasks for new hires. Enable automation to send welcome emails and necessary documentation. You can also set reminders for team members to check in with new employees. Now, focus on the time off management feature. Configure automated approval processes for leave requests. Set parameters for notifications to keep everyone informed. After that, explore the performance management tools. Set up automated reminders for performance reviews and check-ins. This helps ensure timely feedback and consistent employee engagement. Utilize the reporting feature to automate data collection. Schedule regular reports to track employee performance and satisfaction. Review the automated functions and test them to ensure they work as intended. Make adjustments as necessary to fine-tune your automation settings. Once satisfied, communicate these changes to your HR team. Encourage feedback to identify any challenges or improvements. Regularly monitor the automated processes for efficiency. Continue to update and enhance your automation strategies as the company grows. BambooHR provides valuable resources and support for further customization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.